guys, Rich Nando here.
Hello guys, it's Rich Nando. So right now we're going to PetSmart to go get a cage, and yeah, I left my camera at home, so I'm recording off my phone. My brother's right here. He wants to say something. He's gay.
Rich and Chris. Tell me what we're gonna do today, Brian.
We're finna buy a bird.
So sexy and shit.
So yeah, we're on our way to PetSmart to get a cage because we're looking for a cage because Petco don't have a cage. So we're gonna get a cage for my mom. We're gonna get birds for her. Yeah, say it again.
Oh, wow.
PetSmart today, mama. PetSmart, yeah, you know.
Halloween.
Halloween.
Look, you messed up your rim.
Where? Oh yeah, you chipped it.
What? Is it like that?
So guys, this is the bird we are buying my mom.
That's a cage. A cage for a damn bird.
Yeah, I forgot my camera. Sure brought it.
No, or not?
Yeah, if it wants to hurt you, it will. Like I said, he sees that.
Oh guys, this is the bird. We finna buy me mom.
And the good thing about buying this cage already, Frank, he's already used to it.
Mm-hmm.
If Griffey. Yep.
Imagine if that.
You look surprised.
Yes.
All right, so here's this. I will put the hatch certificate in there.
Awesome.
That is hers.
Ice. Let's go home. Oh my god, we really bought mom a bird. $1,000 bird. Maverick. Oh, looking ass.
You cry this time, Chris. Alright, come on.
Let's go check on my mom. Reach for the skies.
Angel.
Have you a surprise for you?
What is it?
Say hello to your new.
Happy early birthday.
Ah.
Oh my god.
It's Maverick.
It's Maverick.
What is he?
He's a fancy courtier.
You don't want to know how much it costs.
It's 1,000 right there.
Really?
It's $1,000.
Why did you spend $1,000 on that?
Who said it was just me? We all pitched in.
Yeah. So Friday. To Friday.
Why you guys spend so much money on him?
So you won't be bored.
And you won't get to know. He said once he find his person, it's gonna be your person.
That's the person.
Once he clicks.
Pick a name.
And he's gonna hate everybody. He's gonna start fighting everybody.
You ready? Go.
Alright, let's put
Calm down.
When I work, does he bite?
No?
No.
No. Well, close everything.
Here, let's just open it. He doesn't fly yet.
Yeah, he's only 4 months old.
Yeah.
Evan, you touch me, bite him.
Guys.
So what's your name?
You take it away.
Chewy. Chewy, that's your name?
No.
Chewy.
I don't know what to say. I need to find a name.
You kicked him?
I don't even know, Stretch.
You think he's so cute, nigga.
Hey mom, next week we're gonna go skydiving, me and you.
Okay. I've done it already.
So what's his name?
Name? It's gonna be Pancho.
Pancho?
Pulga.
Pancho?
Pancho.
I don't know.
Fruity.
What the heck?
Bechito.
Already? You're good.
Look, you already found his person, huh?
Bechito.
He's making out with your nose.
This looks like a dick.
What the hell?
He's using tongue.
He is. Look at him.
Hey, wait, you know what you broke? Is su lengua está seca.
Hey, wait. The tongue look like a
Oh, he's been busted.
This was dry.
Alright, try to go now.
Why is he doing that? What a weirdo. What a pervert. You got a pervert bird. That nigga's making out.
He still wants to kiss me.
How do you feel?
Ah, that feel good. That feels good.
Bechito.
Bye.
Mira, Bechito.
What you did earlier.
Pechito, pechito. Eres mío, baboso. Eres mío, pichocho. Sí, eres mío, 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 mío.
Imagine you just sliced out. Is that
Say hi. Say hi. Say what's up, bitches.
Oh.
Say what's up, bitches. Say what's up, bitches. What's up, bitches?
Why you don't want to talk when I'm filming? That's some. Ah!
There you go.
right?
¿Qué? Es que yo con su pinche cacha, cabrón. Ese quería su pinche cacha, mente. No me muerda. No me muerda, piojito, piojito.
Oh.
¿Estás haciendo piojito?
No.
No, he's looking around.
He knows that's his house now, so yeah, he knows.
Imagine he just closed it himself.
Good night.